myself, but stronger.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna run. Hold on. I wanna fight the hate Enna. I want it so bad. Oh my god!
No! No! Bitch, stop!
Hold on. Get out of my way, Briscoe! Get out of my way! Go away!
Sunny, stop!
Okay. Come on. Okay, I can do this. Now! I swear to God, it's Sunny. Oh my God, what is happening?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I'm trying to walk slow. Finally. Okay. I'm gonna name this after myself. Because it was so hard. Come on! Yes! Woo! Yay! I'm so happy! Oh my god, I actually got it on my team! Now I can defeat Bidet with Lovenna. Hate Enna versus Lovenna. I'm literally gonna name it Lovenna. Self-love, guys. Self-love. You don't have a calm disposition. Okay, that's literally me. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually caught one. Love Enna. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god! There's so many colors! Okay. Disarming voice. La la la! Aw, this is so cute! I'm here, Lovenna. Need to bond. There's a guy named Bidet, and he has a Pokemon called Hate Enna. So we need to kill it with kindness and self-love. Okay. Hi. Kawaii. I hope that was good. Come on. Spicy salad curry? Okay, that sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh my god, look, I'm eating